Dear Robert,
Dear Yolanda,
Dear Teresa,
Dear Ashley,
like you, 21 million Americans are struggling to maintain internet access at home.
the fact that you're pursuing an education despite this financial difficulties speaks to your dedication and ambition.
Seeing as if you've had to take on multiple jobs to manage your loans,
you had to leave your job as an essential worker due to your son's health concerns.
since you moved to rural Texas with your growing family,
We know that having reliable access to internet has become a challenge for you.
that's why we're thrilled to offer you
a WGU online access scholarship.
wow.
Are you sure?
Mama,
Your scholarship will cover the ongoing cost of broadband internet in your home.
so you can follow your dream of becoming a teacher.
Follow your dream of running a successful family business.
Of one day becoming a school principal.
We're wishing you a warm and well-deserved congratulations.
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 We won't rest until everyone has access to higher education
And the tools to make it possible.
Sincerely, Western Governors University.